Hello, welcome to another class with me. My name is Ming. In the previous lesson, we looked at how to solve a homogeneous differential equation. And this was the question that we were doing. We first take the implicit differentiation of y equal to xv to obtain equation number 1. And then we divide both sides of the given differential equation by x squared to obtain equation number 2. And now replace y dash with this expression here in equation number 1, and now use separation of variables to obtain the answer. We now look at a second example here. So to get started with this second example, we know that given v is equal to y over x, then y is equal to xv, and then y dash itself become v plus x dv dx from implicit differentiation, called this equation number 1. Now from the given equation x y dash equal to y plus x squared sine x, we need to isolate y dash, so I need to divide both sides by x to obtain y dash equal to y over x plus x sine x, because x squared divided by x is x. So right now we can rewrite this y over x. So this is equation number 2. So we substitute 1 into 2, right, to get this. That is v plus x dv dx is equal to y over x is v plus x sine x. So you can see v is on both sides again, so v can be cancelled out. So we left with x dv dx is equal to x sine x. X is also on both sides, so that can be cancelled out. So we have dv dx now equal to sine x. Therefore, dv is equal to sine x dx. And now we integrate both sides. So this is v, and over here is negative cosine x plus c, and then y over x equal to negative cosine x plus c. Over here we need to use this substitution. So is that when x equal to negative 1, y equal to 1, so we can substitute in. All right, so substitute in. So this is going to be 1 over negative 1, using this one right up here, y equal to 1, x equal to negative 1, put that in. So it's negative cosine of negative 1 plus c. Therefore, what we have is that c itself is negative 1 plus cosine of negative 1, which you need to use a GTC to figure out. Therefore, the equation will become x equal to y is equal to x bracket negative cosine x plus c become plus cosine of negative 1 minus 1. So here's the answer. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.